Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to delete your YouTube channel. For doing that, all you have to do, go to YouTube and click on your picture. And in here, go to the settings, which is down below. Click on it. And as you come across this portion, go to an option called your account, and in option this click on this options called view or change your Google account settings, and click on it. It will redirect you to your Google account. In here, scroll down and click on the manage your data and personalization. Click on it and scroll down further, and when you scroll down further, you'll come across this option called delete a service or your account. Go into it, and in here go to delete a Google service, and in here write down the password. And when you write down the password, you will come across this option. You can either delete your YouTube channel or Gmail account or whatever service you want. So I want to delete my YouTube channel. I will click on this bin box, and boom. This way I'm going to again write down the password of my channel, and this way the whole YouTube channel will be removed from YouTube. So in this video, you have learned how to delete your YouTube channel. Further, this YouTube channel will be deleted, and I don't know for what reason you're deleting your channel, but probably you know the answer. For more videos, please make sure to leave us a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for further future videos. And see you soon. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.